everyone, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, doing a quick, I don't know what you're gonna call it. It's a quick video on our HVLPs. So we have these gray code 9.5 HVLPs. So one of the common issues we have is paint leaking. I did a video a little while ago on the cup where the paint leaks down the side of the cup. This one, paint leaks down the trigger. So you can kind of see where it's been coming out of that packing nut right there. So believe it or not, I actually couldn't figure out why we were having issues with this. So when we took it to the repair shop in Addison, JC Licht has an amazing repair shop in Addison. If you have sprayers, they do just amazing work. They told us it's because of removing the needle. So every time the needle comes in and out of this, there's a Teflon ring in here, and those Teflon rings do not do well with these metal harsh edges. So every time it comes in and out, it will damage the needle as it comes in and out. So one of the things I have been having to do is put a little Vaseline on here so it kind of slides a little bit better. So cleaning these gets, I don't want to say tricky, it's just you have to take your time. So this one, I just went and picked it up, and you can see where it has not really been cleaned. It's still dirty. It's got the blue paint from the last job we did. And then the needle itself, if you pull it up there, you cannot see through it. And I should be able to see right through there. So when we're cleaning these, we have another one up on the shelf over there. Basically, the needle stays inside. I'll go get it. So you want to keep the needle inside the gun. It stays in there. That way it doesn't ruin the packing nut and doesn't ruin the Teflon in there. So no matter what, these stay locked in. So when you're cleaning them, you're just going to push this. I hold it open like this and put the water down that way, and I keep moving it back and forth, and that moves the needle back and forth and allows the needle to move around and get flush it. You want to flush inside of here, and I actually flush inside that air hole too, so that way no matter what, if there's any paint in there, it's being flushed out at the top of this. And then with those little cleaning brushes that we have, we're just taking the cleaning brushes, same thing under the sink with the needle in, and we're just scrubbing it around in there. This one's a little bit big, but you get the idea. That's how we're cleaning the inside of that. With the smaller brushes, you want to make sure, like here it's built up a little bit. You want to make sure that gets cleaned out so it doesn't get built up like that. You want a nice, good airflow going through there. And then we use the same brush to clean inside of here. So they actually clean out really well just with water. We're using Chem Aqua, which is a water-based hybrid lacquer. It cleans well with water every time. The little brush, clean, quick in and out. Do not use lacquer thinner. It melts the seals in there. Just water and the brushes, it works fine. If you got questions on your sprayer, issues why it's leaking, if we can help, love to. If you're in the Chicagoland area, the Addison JC Licht store, that's your ticket right there. If you got other questions about spraying your cabinets, spraying trim, let us know. We're here, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in. God bless and have a great day.